Basketball U, I'm back one time for your mind. It is the Daily Trainer, and we are here once again doing it the best way we know how to. And that's with hard work. So Basketball U, let's get started. So today we are going to go right into shooting. I know, surprising, you thought I was going to dribble or make you run right away. No, I'm not going to do that. Well, yeah, I am going to make you do that just a little bit later though. So we're going to go right into shooting. Okay, we're going to go 3-level shooting. We're going to go get a layup in real quick so we can feel good about that make. Then we're going to shoot at mid-range or at the free throw line, whichever you feel more comfortable with. And then we're letting a 3 fly right away. Okay, so we're going to go 3-level shooting right away. There's no form shooting, no anything. We're going straight into shooting. Okay, we want to make, the full set twice. So we want to make the layup, we want to make the free throw, we want to make the 3 on the right side. Then we want to go with our left hand, same thing, we want to make that twice. Okay, then after we do that, we're going to do star drill mid-range. Okay, remember that's when we're shooting baseline, we're shooting elbow opposite, and then we're shooting the other opposite elbow, then we're shooting the other baseline, then we're shooting at the free throw line. Then in the 3-point line, it is going to be the corner, opposite wing, corner, and then we'll be at the top of the key shooting the 3. I also want you to complete that 2 times, okay? You have to make the free throw at the end to complete that. So what you will do is mid-range, you're already shooting the free throw. At the 3-point line, you will go to the free throw line and shoot it. So you don't have to make all the shots at the 3-point line. Just finish the set with a made free throw. If you don't, then you start over and you go again. Okay, so again, just to repeat so you know what we're doing, in case I'm moving just a little too fast for you, you want to make sure we're going 3-level shooting, finishing that 2 times equally, and then we're going to go into star shooting mid-range, star shooting on the perimeter, and then we're going into our next phase of shooting, which will be dribble pull-up 3s. Oh yeah, I gotta love those. So we're gonna pull up with our right hand, but we're only gonna make 2 with our right hand, then 2 coming up with our left. We're gonna go on the right side of the wing, the middle, and then on the left side. Okay, and then when we finish that, we're going to do what we did the other day, where we're going to make 4 running the baseline, getting our own rebound, and then also going wing to wing, getting our own rebound. So you're making 4 at each spot on that. So that is a lot of shooting to start. Then you're going to go to the free throw line and you are going to make 5, not take 5. And then with taking those, you're going to take a water break. Basketball U, I hope you're not too tired from getting those rebounds. Coming fresh off that break, I hope you feel good. All right, Basketball U, let's get into it. Now, what we're going to do is, yep, you guessed it. You're going to put that ball in your hand and you're going to dribble it with your weak hand. So if you're left-handed, you're going to dribble it with your right. If you're right-handed, you're going to dribble it with your left. You're going to give me a quick 17 with the dribble, okay? So time frame that we're going to try to keep it in is around 110 to 115. So if you can finish that 17 conditioning drill with your weak hand at a decent time, which is about 1 minute and 10 seconds or 1 minute and 15 seconds in between that, you're doing pretty good. You're doing pretty good. I would love to lower the time, but Basketball, you understand you've been working hard already and you'll be a little bit tired, so that's okay. No worries here. Just do it to the best of your ability. All right, then what I want to do is I want to work a little bit of our side-to-side dribble. Okay, so we're in the key, we're pounding it, we're coming up and we're retreating, and then we're also doing from the retreat dribble, we're also doing the side dribble. Okay, so we're dribbling like not a wave dribble, but just kind of side to side. And you've done this before, haven't used it in a while, but it's a good one to use. And then I want to do a quick conditioning drill where we're dribbling up, we're dribbling to the side, through our legs, coming back, and we're moving up to the next one, doing the same. Then we're dribbling around. It's just a long process for dribbling. The significance of it is you're dribbling for a long period of time. Your legs start to get a little tired when doing the side-to-side dribble, and you just want to be able to keep your dribble all the way around the key. And you're incorporating retreat dribble. You're also using some different moves, going laterally, and it's just a decent drill for another source of dribbling. All right, so I want you to do that twice, and then you can put that basketball down for a second because we are going to rebound. Oh yeah, you're going to throw it up off that glass. You're going to rebound it, come down with it, and finish the layup. Then after, you're going to catch it and then put it up back in the air. Okay, so we're going to make 5, getting the rebound, coming on the ground and finishing. And then you're going to do 5 where you throw it off the glass, catch it at its highest point, or at least attempt to, and then throw it back in for the win. So that's 5 on the left side, then 5 again, then 5 on the right side, then 5 again. We're not going to do it in the middle. It's a little tough to consistently hit that angle that you want on the backboard with the rim in the way. So I don't want to make the drill difficult for you. All right. And then after you do that, you're going to be a little fatigued. So while you're tired, what I want you to do is I want you to work the mic-ins, because now you got to work on pushing that ball up high off the glass and not becoming short where it's going to hit the side of the rim and the side of the backboard. Okay. And then after you do your mic-ins, you're going to do 2 sets of 10. You're just going to keep it regular. No need to do reverse. You're going to go to the free throw line and you're going to make 5 free throws. Okay. Make 5 free throws and then go ahead and get some more water. Let's get to some defensive stuff. Huh? No, don't run from the defense. You gotta love the defense. Okay, we're gonna sprint down to the cone. Okay, we're going to push off going left. Okay, then remember we're coming all the way back across, and we are going to then come back to the middle and backpedal. Okay, so don't forget that drill. Love this drill. We're going to do this 2 times each, going to each side. So 2 times each, going to each side. All right, and then the drill I want to do is our lateral progression, where we slide up to the block, slide back, slide up to the second hash, slide back, slide up to that third hash, slide back, and I believe we go to the 4th one, and then we turn and go. Okay, so I want to work that as well. We're going to do that 3 times each on each side. So once you get done on the one side, you don't have to go to the other side of the key. Just turn your body around and then you'll be working your same hip and you're making that push off. Okay, so we're going to do that. Then what I want to do is I want to then do our kind of like our X drill again, where we're closing out, sliding across, then sliding diagonally. Okay, then sprinting out. Okay, so it's kind of, you're adding that conditioning aspect in it because the sprint is added in it, but you're fine. Okay, and then lastly, what I want to do is our very last one is going to be the agility based one, where we are accelerating and decelerating. So I want to sprint forward, plant with that right foot, back pedal back, sprint forward again, plant, back pedal, sprint forward, stop, back pedal, and then full speed again to finish it off that way. And again, Basketball U, that is it. You're going to have tired legs, so I want you to get to the free throw line. I want you to go 8 out of 10. I know 80% is high, but we're high achievers. We're high learners, and we want the best, and we're trying to achieve the best. So, Basketball U, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for always coming out and always being available to work harder than everyone else, because that is the goal. And as Primetime would say, it's time. Okay, take advantage of the opportunity, because this is free and I would love to give you more, but I gotta go today. So I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?